In today's video, we're taking a look at an 80 quart electric cooler from NewAir. Everything that we use on the video today, we're going to leave a link on the description. So today we're looking at something to beat the heat, to keep things cool, and to keep the kingdom at rest. So right off the bat, we can see it has a rugged construction. It has wheels for easy movement. It has dual temperature zones where you can make one a freezer and the other one a refrigerator, or the same on each side. So it's basically like a portable refrigerator, and you can plug it in two ways, and you can do that by the two plugs it comes with. The first one is a 12-volt plug-in for your car or a battery charger, or 12-volt setup. But if you want to use it at home or at a camping site or anywhere where there's an outlet, it does come with a regular power supply. And inside this cooler is the all-important owner's manual, or how we like to call it, barbecue paper. On the right side of the cooler, we have wheels, which make it easier to move on any surface. The retractable pull-out handle with padding makes it easy for any creature of any height can log it away with ease. So there won't be any excuses, not even from the lazy one on the trip. But if you like working on teams, it also has a handle on the right side, so you can further create those strong bonds between you and your championship team. There's a right compartment and a left compartment. As you can tell, on the right compartment, we have less space because of the cooling system inside, but enough to place your frozen products with ease. You can also interchange the way the doors open. Once the compartment is open, you pull up and then you go ahead and place it on the other side by pushing down. And you can configure that to your heart's desire. Each compartment comes with its own basket, making it easier to remove any product from the cooler, either to serve, to clean, or to remove the water at the bottom if you ever have to. The right side one helps it to divide things from the bottom or the top. Because of the dual compartments, that means we also have dual plugs. If we take a look at the back, and that's on the side where the wheels are at, or the side where the cooling system is at, we will find our plug connection, either for the wall outlet or your 12-volt plug. On the left, we have an input for a solar panel connection if you ever want to rig this up that way. In this compartment, you can place the battery for that system, and that can help you in any case of emergency. Neither the battery or the solar component are provided by NewAir. But if we look at the bright side, this is a great place to hide your stash. I mean your plug. Like that, you won't forget it in case of a real emergency. And you know we mean chocolate, because either camping, hunting, or at the park, the real wow to be afraid of might be right next to you. It also comes with a fuse right next to the connector as an additional security feature. And that's great to protect your investment. Now that we got the technical specs out the way, we can take a look at how this thing works. We go ahead and plug it on the cooler. In this case, we're going to connect it to our battery charger to test it out. But we did test it to our vehicle, to the wall outlet, and to this charger. And in all, it worked how it's supposed to. So on the left side of the cooler, on the top, we have the panel, and we probably have the most important connection on the whole cooler, and that's a USB to charge your phone. Now that the cooler is connected, it's alive. No matter what compartment you open, either the left or the right, you're gonna find LED lights that are gonna show you the way, grasshopper. The screen locks after 20 seconds, so that means you're gonna avoid any accidental button presses by family, friends, or kids that wanna have control of the thermostat, creating instability on the kingdom. To unlock the screen, you hold both plus and minus button at the same time for 3 seconds. An animation pops up letting you know that it's unlocked. And now you're ready to control the throne. Once unlocked, either pressing the up or down button is going to control the left side compartment. To be able to control the right compartment, you have to press the minus button plus the setting button. And now you're able to change the temperature on the right side. No matter which compartment you choose, you can go from -4 Fahrenheit all the way to 68 Fahrenheit. So basically from freezing to cooling. Once everything stops flashing, whichever temperature temperature you chose would stay. And remember, after 20 seconds, the screen will lock. If you hold the setting button for 3 seconds, it would jump to battery protection. You can either choose high, medium, or low. It already comes default to high. By pressing the setting button, you can change the way the cooling system works. You can place it on max for faster cooling, but it's gonna waste more energy. If you place it on eco, it is going to be more efficient. So it's gonna give you the option if you want to cool something real fast at max, or by choosing eco to maintain. But after a while of being connected, it has an auto sleep mode, which will help not to drain your vehicle's battery. And also on the panel, you will see the voltage. As you can see right now, 14 volts. We are currently connected to the wall outlet. Now we're ready to place some beverages and food inside. Let's go ahead and clean it, but first remember to disconnect it, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to become the barbecue for the neighborhood. As you can see, we have enough space for drinks and food. But the great feature is that one side could be at one temperature and the other at another. Overall, it has good cooling. Once it reaches the temperature desired, it does hold temperature very well. And even after you unplug it, it stays cool for a very long time. So it means it's very well insulated. In our testing, we went from 68 degrees to 7 or 9 degrees in about half an hour, and that was on empty. So I'd imagine with cold things inside, you would reach it even faster, like ice. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.